today we start in Introduction to Analytical Chemistry. New point, chemical reaction and stoichiometric calculation or stoichiometric coefficient. So in last standard means 9, 8, 10 standard, you also learn what is a chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? And chemical reaction means a first element A and second element is B. So A element react with chemically with another element, means another element is B, means A react chemically with another element to form a product AB, to form a product AB. But this reaction occur chemically. So this is called as chemical reaction. But A and B element called as reactant, A and B element called as reactant, and AB gives a product. So this is called as product. But reactant chemically converted into product. So this is a chemical reaction. So this is a chemical reaction. So chemical reaction is a process in which single substance or many substances interact with each other. Chemical reaction, it is a process in which single substance or many substances chemically react with each other to form a new substance. So which is called as chemical reaction or chemical equation. So definition of chemical reaction: a single substance or many substances interact with each other to produce one or more substance, product. So this is called as chemical reaction or chemical equation. This is called as chemical reaction or chemical equation. Means one single substance or many substance is chemically react with each other to produce one or more product. So it is called as chemical reaction or chemical equation. So in terms of chemical equation, our chemical symbol called as chemical equation or chemical reaction. We use chemical symbol are called as chemical symbols are called as chemical formulae means in chemical reaction or equation use different types of chemical symbol. So it is called as chemical formulae of reactant or product. Chemical formulae of reactant or product. So chemical symbol means, for example, hydrogen. Hydrogen is an element. Next element, oxygen. Hydrogen react chemically with another element, means oxygen, to form a water molecule. But hydrogen exists in gaseous state. As diatomic molecule. Therefore, hydrogen exists in gaseous state. Therefore, it exists in gaseous state. So gaseous state means diatomic molecule. So their chemical symbol means H2. We represented hydrogen as H2 molecule because it exists in gaseous state, means diatomic molecule. So we use a suffix base of this symbol means hydrogen in gaseous state and diatomic molecule to represent in the base of this element 2G. Next, oxygen also. So oxygen also gaseous state element. Oxygen also gaseous state element and it also in diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. So oxygen also O2. Oxygen also represent in O2 molecule and it exists in gaseous molecule. So suffix is used for gaseous molecule. For gaseous molecule we use suffix G. Solid molecule we use S and liquid molecule we use L in the base of this element. So H2 in gaseous state, oxygen also in gaseous state, diatomic molecule and to form a water molecule. But water molecule exists in gaseous, liquid or solid means ice. So in this case gaseous element react with another gaseous element to form a water molecule in gaseous. So this is example what hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to form a water molecule. But this reaction is not balanced. Means this is a left hand side and this is a right hand side. So in left hand side hydrogen molecule. In left hand side hydrogen molecule only 2 molecule. Oxygen also 2 atom. Sorry, molecule not atom. Hydrogen has 2 atom and oxygen has 2 atom. And in right hand side hydrogen has 2 atom but oxygen is only 1 atom. So this reaction is not balanced. So this reaction or chemical equation is not balanced. In left hand side hydrogen has 2 atom, oxygen has 2 atom, but in left hand side hydrogen is 2 but oxygen is only 1. So we use a whole number. For a balanced chemical equation. So we use a number for a balanced chemical equation. Means for example we put a number 2 for 2 ones are oxygen only 1 atom, so 1 into 2, so total atom change into 2. हाइड्रोजन 2, सो 2 2 से हाइड्रोजन का भी चेंज हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पे 4 हो जाएगा. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या हाइड्रोजन ओनली 2 है, ऑक्सीजन का हमने 2 2 कर लिया तो यहाँ पे मुझे फिर से क्या करना पड़ेगा 2 मैंने प्लेस कर दिए तो क्या होगा 2 2 से 4 हाइड्रोजन बिकम्स 4. मतलब नंबर यूज करके नंबर पुटअप करके हमें केमिकल इक्वेशन और केमिकल रिएक्शन बैलेंस करनी. तो यहाँ पे मैंने LHS पे हाइड्रोजन की बिफोर अ हाइड्रोजन we place a whole number means 2. So 2 2s are 2 into 2 means multiplication occur like this 2 into 2 atoms of hydrogen and we place a 2. So 2 2s are 4 molecules and 2 2s are 4 molecules but only 1 atom of oxygen. So 1 into 2 we get a 2 atom of oxygen. So hydrogen in left hand side 4 molecules and right hand side also 4 molecules. Oxygen is 2 molecules and right hand side also 2 molecules. So this reaction is balanced. But we represent this hydrogen is 2, oxygen is only 1. Means हमने तो कोई नंबर्स और होल नंबर यूज नहीं किया ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करने के तो कुछ नहीं है तो यहाँ पे 1 होता ही है तो यहाँ पे 1 और प्रोडक्ट साइड पे कितना है 2 है. जो मैंने यूज किए थे नंबर्स यहाँ पे 2 पुटअप कर दिया राइट हैंड साइड पे 2 पुटअप किया तो इसे हम क्या कहते हैं स्टाइचियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट कहते हैं. जो नंबर्स हम बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन करने के लिए जो यूज करते हैं उसे हम स्टाइचियोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट कहते हैं. सो 2:1 2. So this is a stoichiometric coefficient used to balance chemical equation. So this 2 and next 2 1 and 2 these are a number of hydrogen, oxygen and water molecule. hydrogen, oxygen and water molecule. 1, 2, 1, 2 are coefficient of nitrogen, sorry, these 2, 1 and 2 are coefficient of hydrogen, oxygen and water molecule. This coefficient are used, this coefficient of reactant and product. This coefficient of reactant side and product side, reactant and product. This coefficient of reactant and product in a balanced chemical reaction, in a balanced chemical reaction, so it is called as stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric coefficient. In this reaction, we put up whole numbers 2, 1 and 2. So these are the coefficient of hydrogen, oxygen and water molecule. So these coefficients are used a balanced chemical reaction or balanced chemical equation. So this is called as stoichiometric coefficient. So this is called as stoichiometric coefficient. So next we discuss means in law of conservation of mass. लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. फर्स्ट लॉ, हाइड्रोजन का मास कितना होगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या, हाइड्रोजन का मास 1 है, एटॉमिक मास हाइड्रोजन 1, ऑक्सीजन 16. तो हाइड्रोजन के कितने टोटल मोल्स है, 4 है, तो 4 इंटू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, 4 इंटू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. So 4 1 जा 4, so we get a 4 gram. Next oxygen, 2 atoms into atomic mass of oxygen, 2 atoms into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into 16, so we get 2 into 16 32 gram, 2 into 16 32 gram. And in right hand side, total means in bracket 2 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 1s are 2 plus 16 1s are 16. So 16 plus 2 18. So this bracket we open, so which is equal to 2 into 18. So we get a 36 gram. We get a 36 gram. And mass of reactant 4 plus 32, we get a 36 gram. Means our first law of conservation of mass. So mass of reactant 36 gram, which is equal to mass of product. Mass of reactant which is equal to mass of product. So in chemical reaction of stoichiometric calculation, it indicates a number of moles involved in chemical reaction. It indicates a number of moles. Means in this example, number of moles 2 1 2 in chemical reaction or equation, and the number of product is formed. Means for example, this is reactant side 2 and 1 moles and product form 2 moles of water molecule. And second, it indicates the relative masses of reactant and product. यहाँ पे मैंने पहले ही प्रूव कर दिया, mass of reactant which is always equal to mass of product. And third, it indicates relationship between volume of gases reactant and product at standard temperature and pressure. At standard temperature and pressure. So next we see an example of stoichiometric coefficient. I hope you understand what is a stoichiometric coefficient. Means number of moles we are used for a balanced chemical equation. So this is called as stoichiometric coefficient. So यहाँ पे मैंने जितने नंबर रिएक्टेंट के लिए यूज किए थे उतने ही नंबर क्या प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो गया. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ रिएक्टेंट विच इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, और मास ऑफ रिएक्टेंट विच इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. और यहाँ पे मैंने मतलब वो एलिमेंट किस फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है वो भी सभी करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे मैंने गैसियस स्टेट में यूज कर दिया. तो वी सी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. So second example of stoichiometric coefficient, iron react with chlorine to form ferric chloride. To form ferric chloride. Iron react with chlorine to form ferric chloride. So iron means Fe. So Fe in solid state occur. Fe solid state. Chlorine symbol is Cl. So Cl means chlorine which exists in diatomic state and it is a gaseous molecule. So Fe in solid state, chlorine in gaseous state to form a ferric chloride in solid state, to form a ferric chloride in solid state. So ferric means iron in solid state means Fe symbol which is occurring solid state. So suffix we use S. Chlorine means diatomic molecule in gaseous state, so Cl2 in G. And ferric chloride. So ferric means Fe3 plus. Ferric means Fe3 plus. And chloride. So this form a FeCl3 which is in solid state. So next, this is not a balanced reaction. This is not a balanced reaction. So left hand side molecule 1 Fe atom, chlorine only 2 atom, but in right hand side Fe only 1 molecule means only 1 atom, chlorine 3. So we put a whole number to balance a chemical equation. So यहाँ पे 3 है, क्लोरीन का 3, तो यहाँ पे मैं 2 पुटअप कर देती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे 2 आयन हो जाएंगे और यहाँ पे 2 आयन. So 2 FeCl3 means Fe becomes 2 and chlorine 3 2s are 6. So chlorine total atom is 6. But in this chlorine only 2 atoms, so we put 3. So 3 2s are 6. So chlorine becomes 6 atom. So in left hand side, iron is 2 molecule means 1 into 2 we get 2 molecule. Next chlorine 3 to the 6 and in right hand side also Fe is 2 atom and chlorine also 6 atom. So in left hand side stoichiometric coefficient molecule and right hand side stoichiometric coefficient is equal means number of product is 2 moles of iron chloride means ferric chloride and in reactant side 2 moles of iron and 3 moles of chlorine. So number of moles we use 2, 3 and 2. So this is a stoichiometric coefficient means for iron 2, next for chlorine we use 3, next and in product 2 moles of ferric chloride we use a number for balance the chemical equation. So this is called as stoichiometric coefficient. So this is called as stoichiometric coefficient. And finally, we balance this chemical equation by putting 2, 3 and 2. So this is a stoichiometric coefficient example and this is a balanced chemical equation or reaction. So this is a balanced chemical equation or reaction. So next example, nitrogen in gaseous state, hydrogen in gaseous state and to form a product ammonia in gaseous state. So nitrogen exists in gaseous state. So it is a diatomic molecule means N2 in suffix use G. Hydrogen in gaseous state. So it is a diatomic molecule in gaseous state and to form ammonia. Ammonium symbol or chemical formula NH3 in gaseous state. But this reaction is not balanced here. Reaction or not balanced equation, not balanced chemical equation. So we put up a whole number to balance this equation. So in left hand side, nitrogen is 2 molecules means 2 atom, hydrogen is 2 atom. In right hand side, nitrogen only 1 atom and hydrogen is 3 atom. So we put up in this side, right hand side, we put up a 2. So 1 into 2, nitrogen becomes 2 and 2 into 3, we put a 2 here only hydrogen is 2 molecules. So we multiply whole number. So we get equal moles of hydrogen. So we put a 3. So 3 to the hydrogen becomes 6 and nitrogen is 2. So I use nitrogen is only one molecule, means only one number. Hydrogen 3 and ammonia we use 2. So this is number of moles, means 1 for nitrogen, 3 for hydrogen and 2 for ammonia. So these are a stoichiometric coefficient. These are a stoichiometric coefficient we use for balanced chemical equation. We use a stoichiometric coefficient 1, 3, 2 for a balanced chemical equation. And mass of reactant nitrogen 14, means 2 into 14 plus hydrogen 3 to the 6 atoms. So 6 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. So 14 to the 28 plus 6. So 28 plus 6, 34 gram of reactant side. And next 2 in bracket nitrogen 1 atom into 14 plus 3 into 1. So 14 plus 3, 17. 14 plus 3, 17. So 2 into 17 we get 34 gram of product side. So mass of reactant is 34 gram and mass of product is 34 gram. So this is a concept of chemical reaction or chemical equation and stoichiometric calculation and means stoichiometric coefficient. So I hope you understand all these concepts. What is a chemical reaction, what is reactant, what is product, and stoichiometric moles, this stoichiometric coefficient used for balance a chemical equation or balance a chemical reaction. I hope you clearly understood this all concept. If you have any doubt or confusion, so ask me. Thank you, students.